How's it going, YouTube?
We're cool.
We are here with our 2015 Chevy Silverado.
2015 Chevy Silverado.
What we wanted to cover here, these are the jack stands that we have. These are made for cars. And just look at the difference of these. This is the first time we've opened these. They've been sitting on our counter for a while. We've been kind of delayed by bad weather and whatever else we're delayed by. So I get the packaging file on the side.
It's a surprise.
Ooh, look at these. So I'm guessing these are the fronts right here. Look at the Bilstein.
Bilstein.
Here.
If you act now, you may also receive a free Bilstein nothing. This is the shock. Here's the old one.
Ranchero. So now what I think we're going to do is we're going to move our station here over to the side, and then we're going to jack this truck up, and we're going to get working here. This was just the unboxing portion of the video.
We're not sponsored by Bilstein yet. But we should be. Because we're just Joe and Schmo, Geek and Son. Those of you from Bilstein, give us a call. Sprechen Sie Deutsch? Not really.
And ta-da, we go.
Here's the old one. Here's the old Rancho. Came with the truck. With the LT package, is this what it is? No, the Z71 package has Rancho shocks. And the Bilsteins are just fancier schmancier, but they look to be exactly the same height.
Eyes in the sky, gazing far into the night. I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through.
And here are the rear shocks. Now, for you, this is only going to be like a 2-minute video. For this, that was 4 hours with the front, because we put the washers on the wrong way, and then we had to take it all apart again. But these shocks, pretty simple. Same thing. A few bolts, put the new shock in. Easy. Socket.
Look at one there. Welcome back. It's so good to see you. To the Geek and Son.
We can't see
channel.
them.
I can see them.
No,
Why are you in your underwear? What the hell? Put some clothes on. There's kids in here. It's been a week since we put the shocks on, and they're great, and I would definitely recommend them. We're gonna go for a spin right now to show you kind of how it bounces around.
We wanted to show you how this truck kind of handles now. There's not really any way.
Good job putting them on, boy. Here comes a bump.
Where's the bump?
Nothing. Here comes like a curb.
This is like it's a legit curb.
Don't they know we're filming?
Mom's calling me.
So we're going over some bumps right now. This one down the street is notorious.
This one's actually bad. Even in like the cop car, something that has coilovers.
Here we go.
Suspension. Here we go.
Now that was bumpy, but before it would throw me out of my seat.
It would be like your head hits the ceiling kind of a bump.